So it gives me a lot of it feels so cute. It feels so beautiful to have one of your industry colleague and a very beautiful friend of mine, Rukshmani. And you will see the charm what she carries in her face. Such a beautiful and charming face she has, and I think all credit goes to her beautiful heart and the face yoga what she must be practicing every day. So let me take a privilege to introduce Rukshmani. So Rukshmani has a lot of inclination towards education. That's why she has been into she's a pastry chef. She's into international makeup, a mixologist, a variety of exposure to life, and now she heads the technical department and the business development of Enrich Beauty Salons, which is a very famous chain of salons all over India. And now, what is the topic today? So let's understand it from Rukshmani. And Rukshmani, if you can see me, you need to just wave and ask me to join in. Yes, I can see you. I'll just take her.
Hi, Kalyani.
You look so charming as usual.
So do you.
Thank you. That's what I was. I was telling everybody that you should meet her in person. She, vibrates a very good. Uh, I don't know. I love your skin and the way you are.
I love
So,
you.
however, thank you. Love you too. How have your lockdown been?
Very, very productive. In fact, I take this lockdown as a blessing. So much of time to rediscover our own self. I can take this as an opportunity. I got to share my skills, my knowledge to as many people, as I can reach in this industry. So it has been really a.
Lovely. Lovely.
About you?
So, I am also good, extremely busy, more than ever, doing the household work and these live sessions. We are doing so much. Not every day, but thrice a week at least. So,
But that's
trying to be active. And
that's a big commitment which you are doing it for the industry. It's really marvelous.
thank you, thank you. Can we have more light on your face because you seem to be little on one side and the light is little low. I see you all have joined a lot of new people. Yes, I can see Asma,
This
Yogesh Shinde, Jyoti Apte, a lot of my friends also.
very
So
good.
everybody is like, what is face yoga? And people are like, they are like, surprised. A lot of people don't know the concept of face yoga. So what is face yoga first, Rukshmani?
So face yoga is nothing but a way to banish your wrinkles without resorting any kind of Botox and surgeries. Right? So we all know very well, we are not going to get younger with age, correct? So as we grow
Right.
old, like we will have to maintain our youthfulness. So facial yoga helps you to maintain that youthfulness by delaying that aging process. It
Okay.
helps in face yoga. What exactly you do is you work on your 57 face and neck muscles, just the way we do exercise for rest of the body muscles. So we tend to forget our face and neck area. We go to gym, we do a lot of exercises, functional exercises, boxing, but those exercises, they work only right below your neck area, and somewhere you see your
Okay.
face and neck is neglected. So if you focus, if you target certain area on your face, it will definitely give you a beautiful result.
And who invented this face yoga?
Well, face yoga is nothing but a modern term which came up in Western culture. But as we all know, yoga is invented here in India. You know, so
Right.
but we Indians probably somewhere started appreciating when we saw Western people, start practicing on daily basis, and we
True.
also our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has announced 21st of June as International Yoga Day to share the importance of yoga and its benefit to our health, and especially in such time, in such stressful time where we don't know, what is going to happen next. uh, Something like
Okay.
yoga meditation really really helps us to be stressless all the time. So I
Okay.
know that there is one lady called Tatakshu. She's 50 now. So about
Mm-hmm.
15 years before, when she was 35 years old, she met with an accident where her entire face and neck was totally damaged, and that's when she herself discovered few facial exercises which helped her to get her face toned and firmed, wherein doctor had already given up on her that, what, this is the way your face will look like, and she had some deficiency in her muscles, but due to this facial yoga she could come back to her original face structure.
Oh, lovely. New to
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
And how long should one practice this yoga technique for face?
Anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes is good enough. So you could give, say, 10 minutes for your upper facial area and probably 10 minutes for your lower facial area while you're
Okay.
cooking. These days, we know we all are at home, right? And so stuck with our laptop, our phone, we're like highly occupied on technologies. So take a probably 15, 20 minutes quick tech break and do it, or while you're attending any webinar, just while listening to
Okay.
the webinar, you could do your facial yoga. So it doesn't require designated time. It doesn't require designated space in your house. So it is so
Mhm.
easy, so flexible. You could do it from anywhere and any place without anything. All you need is your willpower that you want to do it.
Wonderful. Okay. Just make sure you put your cameras off while you're attending a webinar and
Yeah.
then do your facial yoga.
Yeah.
Okay. So should we start? Because I want everybody to do that. So all of you, अब सब लोग जो देख रहे हैं ये facial yoga का session, तो ये definitely हमारे face को ज़्यादा tone करेगा. And everybody wants वो जैसे रहता है ना six packs वाला dream, वैसे मुझे लगता है वो chiseled look वाला face like Bipasha Basu या Kareena Kapoor. They have such beautiful jawlines and everybody wants that kind of face cut. So I think facial yoga can help if we are religious with it, and I want everybody to practice because we can't see you. I will also be doing it. We are going to see each other, and let's start it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's just you just require to target that particular area, like your just like you work out for your body, as I mentioned earlier, like if you exercise similar way for your face and your neck, your muscles will get toned, your muscles will get formed and tighter. So it's something like natural facelift.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So
So now,
I
asking about me post 40, we start getting this, the baby fat again
yes.
and the double chin. So how to get rid of this? Because this portion shows the age maximum. How to
Yeah.
get rid of that? Yeah.
So one is, what you have to do is you have to blow some kisses to the ceiling.
Okay.
About 10 minutes you could do it, but I would suggest that you start slow. Probably you start with 5 or 10 kisses, and then you increase it. You could maximum do 100. So more you will
Okay.
do, you will see wonderful result, but just don't go all in. Do slowly and definitely you'll see results. So I'll show you. You guys can do it along with me, but it's
Yes, I'm going to
important that
do.
you do it on. Yeah, so you
Okay.
just have to look up, and just blow kisses
Okay.
like this. You can see my these muscles are stretching. You should feel that stretch right from your jawline till your neck area, right from here. You should feel that
Okay.
stretch.
You have to just blow.
Yeah. No, like a kiss. You have to give a kiss.
Okay.
Like,
Okay. I'm going to laugh a lot in all this because I'm enjoying it a lot. But it's not blowing. You're just like how
you're
you
kissing. Yeah. So
kiss. That's
with
it.
the blow, you are also throwing a kiss to your. If nobody, then you have your wall to give a kiss.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So I'll just look up and I'll start kissing my ceiling. You guys
Yeah.
also please do that.
Yeah. So another good part about facial yoga is it looks very funny, so it kind of gives sense of humor while you are doing it. So somebody else
Good.
who's watching you, they may find it a little hilarious. So
Yes.
it will do two things. It will help you to tone, and it will give a little laughter to the opposite person who's watching you.
Yes. And I think how we used to, my mother goes to this laughter clubs, and whenever we see that, we laugh so much. Like, how can they laugh without reason? And we laugh. So I think watching us doing that, people around us are going to laugh.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
I can bet. So
So this
another
was one for the double chin. This was one for
that
the double
this
chin.
this for the double chin.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
Another for a nice, like if you see, especially food, has like you could literally see a partition on her cheek, high cheekbone, and you could
Yes.
see nice tight muscle here,
Sculpting. Yeah.
sculpt here. Yeah. So for that, all you have to do is you must take air here in the middle,
Mhm.
and then you have to shift that air on the right hand side first. Count
Okay.
30 seconds and then blow out the air. Do the repetition again on the left hand side. So keep doing this.
Okay.
As I requested earlier, I would request again, go slow, because if you are doing it in a right technique, you will feel tension and you will also feel some pain, because till now your muscles were on flight mode, on sleep mode. Now suddenly you're doing something which you've not been doing it. So go slow, probably start only
Okay.
with 5, extend it to 10, and then keep extending the way you are comfortable with. So let's start.
Okay.
I'm going to
Let's start.
start first, low air here.
I'm finding very funny to look at.
So then you have to release it. There would be a time that you may face difficulty to count 30 seconds. It's okay. Go slow. Do it for 10 seconds. Increase it.
Okay.
Go 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds, and 30 seconds. Huh?
So on the
Now,
other side.
yeah, on the other side. So it is important that you do entire circle. Don't just do it,
Okay.
just drag the same air there and do it. You may feel little suffocated. So it's important to
Sure.
start from first step itself. So again, so you take air here.
Everybody, please do it because a lot of people joining in. So please do what she's teaching us.
So like this, if you do it, you will definitely, I have personally
It
seen
feels
results
nice.
on my
Feels nice.
face. You will also immediately also you'll feel little lift on this particular
Yeah.
area. So
Yeah. Yeah.
it,
Yes.
yeah, on your laugh line, also on your side structure, below your cheekbone, and ultimately it is kind of this particular area is interrelated to a jawline. So
Yeah.
when you combine the kisses which we blow on the air, on the ceiling, and this particular exercise, if you combine these two, give at least 10 minutes. So I generally give 6 days in a week, about 20
Okay.
minutes. So I do For 10 minutes, I do my upper facial area, and 10 minutes, I do my lower facial area. And these
One second, Rukshmani. Just sorry to interrupt. I can see a very blurred version of you. Can everybody see Rukshmani clearly? Is that an issue from your end or my end? Because my internet is very slow since morning. Can anybody please type out and let us know, is Rukshmani clearly visible to everybody? Because I can see a lot of blurred version of us.
Okay.
No, okay. Lata is saying no. Lata, can you see both of us well? Because I can see a very blurred vision of. No, can't see clearly. See, somebody saying no. It's
No?
not clear. Yes. So let me, it's blurred. Let me shift to another internet connection.
Okay, sure. I'm right here.
Your internet is clear because I still can, you are a little blurred to me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
mine
somebody is saying I am clear, but you are not so clear. There's a little blurred.
Oh, okay. So far, my internet is absolutely clear.
Okay, let's start. You can give us a task, and then I switched over to another connection because I'm having a lot of problems this morning. So, anyways, so let's go to the. You were saying something about the laugh lines.
Yeah, so I was saying that immediately when you do probably one or two sessions, you'll definitely see little lifting and little warmth around this facial area, especially the lower facial area. If you combine these two exercises, one is the one which we did like blowing the kiss on the air, and second which we did the air on at a time, is you will definitely see results.
Okay.
There's one more exercise. Which you
Rohit is
can do
here,
to
and
tighten your.
Rohit is saying hi to us. Hi, Rohit.
Hi, hi, everyone.
Yeah.
Second exercise is to tighten your cheek muscles. So that is
Okay.
called the horn blower. So
All
first
okay.
one we did is we blew the kisses on the air. Second we did was blow air just on one cheek. The third one we will blow air on both our cheeks at the same time. And
Okay.
then you have to count at least 30 seconds, the ideal second to hold on one particular muscle. If you are new to it, you could go slow, as I mentioned, and I'm repeating this thing on purpose because I don't want you guys to get disappointed on your first session itself. I want you guys to go a little slow. So for this one, what you have to do is, let's do it. So you just blow the air together on the cheek area. And you relax, give a couple of seconds, repeat it.
But it won't give a more puffier, like a more chubbier cheeks.
No. So it will definitely help you to tighten this particular entire cheek area.
So I think we did 3, which was the lip, the kiss to the ceiling.
Yes.
Then
and third is this. So this is your main exercises for your lower face area. For the upper face area, what you have to do is you must take your index finger, put it here, with little pressure. little pressure here, and then with your mouth you have to do like this. You have to stretch like this, and then you have to roll your eye on top.
Okay. Are we supposed to press with the index finger?
Yes.
We are supposed
Press
to
it
press
little bit, very gently,
very gently.
very gently. And then
I
when
think
you roll your
I
eyes on, and
I
when
hope
you roll your
everybody is
eyes on,
doing, because just watching won't help. Everybody has
yeah.
to do it together. Yeah. So we roll down and look up.
But you must feel a particular muscle. So your eyes should go
Okay.
like this. So stretch as much as you can and then look up.
Okay. Okay, let's do it.
Right, Kalyani, you are becoming a pro.
It's relaxing, very relaxing. I felt a good stretch till my,
Very good stretch
the
right from
occipital.
eye till forehead.
Yes, yes. Nice. Yeah.
And this is an excellent exercise if somebody has puffy eyes, they have eye
Yeah.
bags, they have dark circles. It will help you to increase blood circulation in around the eye area, and you'll definitely see results. What I
Okay.
do when I do my upper face exercise, post that what I do is in the morning when I drink my green tea, I put two green tea bags in the freezer, and after finishing my facial yoga, I remove those green tea bags and I apply it on my eye area.
Okay.
So that, yeah. So facial yoga and plus a quick, like DIY eye mask gives you a little more further benefit to your eyes.
Yeah, because I think tea bags are rich in antioxidant when it comes to, the external application as well. Yeah.
How
And
I think somebody is asking how should the posture be while doing this? So the posture
yeah.
is, if you're asking for this particular facial yoga, which we just did, uh, all you have to do is take your index finger, nose here, give a little pressure, not much pressure, which you can handle it. Then with your
Okay.
mouth, you have to do it, like you're
Okay.
covering your lip area, you're folding it down. So, like how we do, oh, so here you'll do your lips little inward.
Ruling.
Some-
Okay.
Something we do like, oh, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
there we do ho like this. But here what we
Yeah.
will do is we'll just roll our lips inside.
Okay.
Little more exaggerator of ho.
Okay. And how do they help?
So
This action, how does it help?
so why we are stretching little the lower area is it gives you little support to stretch your upper area. So it's
Okay.
kind of
Okay.
interrelated. But this particular exercise is mainly for your eye area. So if you try to do just like that, you will not see any tension. If you try doing without your lower area, you will not feel that tension here, which you will do
Okay.
it simultaneously. Definitely see the visible result. You'll feel tension more over here.
It's basically how the antagonist muscles work. It's the same theory.
That's right. Yes, same.
Yes.
So I'm kind of avoiding using any technical muscle names because I want our audience to understand it, because it will be too much for them to understand the muscle names and then this exercises. So I'm keeping it a little low key with the names. Another exercise for your upper area is you just remove your tongue out stretch your eyes as much as possible, stretch it here also. And again, it is a wonderful exercise for your crow's feet and the lines which you get it here. So just like Kali Mata, like.
Like in pranayam also we do the Siha Mudra with the tongue out and you look up.
Yeah.
Similar way. Okay, so let's
Similar
do
way
it.
you have to do that.
Yeah.
So just remove your tongue out as much you can and look up, and ensure to stretch your forehead muscles as much as you can, because when you stretch forehead, automatically you are also stretching your eye area.
That's right. Okay, let's do it.
So again, you could do a count anywhere between 10
Interesting.
seconds to 30 seconds.
Yeah.
So about
I will
anywhere
remember
between, yeah. So just try doing these. This very easy, very simple.
So 10 seconds each to start with for everybody.
Yes, please. 10 seconds is perfect to start with for day one. And as you become comfortable, probably on third day or fourth day, you could increase, say, 15 to 20 seconds, and probably week 2, you could go to 30 seconds. Because it is important to enjoy while doing and not to do it. When you do it, love to do it, you will see result much faster.
And how many times in
To start with, you could start just once a day. But if you have time, you could do also twice a day. No harm at all.
Okay.
But don't try and do it for don't think that you'll do it for 30 minutes or 1 hour, you'll see instant result. Just go slow. Like the same way, you should not have muscle fatigue. Your muscles should not get any kind of tear. Go to any trainer will always guide you not to over exercise. They'll always tell you, okay, day 1 is for your upper body, day 2 is for your lower body. Similarly, even here, you must not overdo it. Just do it how much ever it is required. Go slow. Start only just once in a daytime. If you want to give a break on second day, it is absolutely okay. Do it on the third day. Then probably next week you want to do like 3 days a week, 4 days a week. It's absolutely okay. So whichever way you want, but important part, I've seen like during this lockdown, there are a lot of people who are making a lot of beautiful food cuisine at home. But somewhere because of lockdown, we are not able to exercise. So we must continue of ourselves and get adapted to this new normal lifestyle.
Yeah. I want you to focus more on these cuts, like the lower jaw, the double chin, if you can add more to it. And the, everybody wants that selfie pout, to be really crink and nice, very sharp. So can you teach us something for that?
Another way you could do is, if you can buy balloons in the market, try and blow at least 2 to 5 balloons a day. That will also help for get a proper structure. Second, one more thing, what you could do is you could take a pen. You could do. This also helps. So any movement you could do. This also, you feel it's very easy. But when you have to count 30 seconds, you will realize the tension around your laughing line area, and it will help you.
Okay. Make sure you take a clean pen.
Yeah,
because
clean
it's
pen.
not so easy right now. Yes.
And ensure it is your own pen. So I have ensured that I've used a sanitizer before using this pen.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is very, very
Definitely.
important. I've After using a sanitizer, I've thoroughly cleaned it so no sanitizer goes in my mouth. Yeah. So all
Yeah.
those small steps are really, really important, especially in this particular time and probably even after COVID-19. You know, hygiene and safety is must for not just for us but for all of us.
True, true, very true. So blow lots of balloons, party hard, and pen
Yes.
holding. What else?
So I remember day, like where it was a challenge for me to even blow one balloon. You know, I was
Okay.
finding it very challenging. Yeah, and I used to tell my brother or my sister to do that for me, and I always used to feel that why am I able to do it steadily when I started doing it. And I remember a day when I could blow one balloon. It was like one of the most happiest day that, okay, wow, I have achieved something.
Mm-hmm.
So it requires a lot of muscle tension when you blow one balloon, and it turns out to be a wonderful exercise.
I have blown a lot of balloons in my childhood. But do we blow it like this? Or do we stretch and blow that? The small ones, what we
No,
use
you
for
blow it.
Holi? Yes.
So either way you blow it, it is useful.
Uh-huh.
However, you will see more benefit when you will blow it like this. The
Okay.
reason is because when you do it like this, both your muscle is working simultaneously. When you do like this, one side of the muscle will work that particular time. So what you could do is you could alternate. So if you're doing it like this, maybe next time you could do it like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's a natural, it will help you to ease your eye strain. It will combat your stress. It will increase, we know that age is a main factor, right? When it comes to any kind of wrinkles or fine lines.
Mm.
So that's one of the main factors. So what happens is the collagen and elastin production reduces, right? So by
Mm.
doing these muscle exercises on regular basis, it will increase your natural collagen.
Mm. Okay. And like a lot of people who are attending here are salon owners or who go for facial. So is facial yoga suggested before facial or after facial? If somebody wants to teach their clients or just add on something to the client's treatment, so is it to be done before or after, like how?
A lovely question. I would definitely suggest to do it before, because it is something, some exercise, and then you go for a nice relaxing muscle, right? Massage. So, after doing a
Okay.
gym exercise, also you tend to go to sit and relax in sauna. So it is something similar, and it will be a
Mm-hmm.
wonderful thing for any salon owners to add this, especially during this time. When you reopen your salon, probably you could do a edition there where you are giving a complimentary facial yoga before starting a facial, and I'm sure
Mm-hmm.
client would also really appreciate it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
super. So something for eye bags more, because we worked a lot on this, so something more for the eye bags.
So for the eye bag, what next you could do is you could hold your finger like this, and just stretch it the area here. So you stretch it little down here. You can see,
Okay.
and then keep looking it straight till the time your eyes turns watery. You have to
Okay.
keep
So let's
straight.
do it. Let's do it.
Yeah. So take your index finger, take your thumb, and keep looking straight. You need to keep looking straight. Like there is this game which people plays to without a blink. You have to keep looking to the opposite
Yeah.
person without a blink. So this is something similar, but you are also helping your eye muscle, like by stretching it like this. So what will happen that even this area will get little tension here. It will help you
Okay.
for your fine lines and wrinkles on this particular area.
Okay, let's do it for some time till our eyes water. So please आप
Yes.
सब लोग जो देख रहे हैं please ये कीजिए. So I'm
This-
holding it and I'm doing it.
So I'm looking at your eyes, Kalyani.
Same here, I'm good to you.
Okay, my eyes has water already.
Yeah.
So till the time you
Good,
get
I'm
water,
doing it.
yeah. Then you can relax your eye by rubbing
Okay.
and then just putting it like this.
Okay.
Please ensure your hands are thoroughly washed, your hands are properly sanitized before you touch your eyes or nasal area. It is very, very important in this particular time. Please
Some of
follow
your friends are commenting. Some Yoshala and she said call it Dharana exercise.
Dharana. No, it's not. It's not Dharana. Shaila.
You guys
Hi,
can do
Shaila.
anything now. Lockdown at home. Up darao, hasao. Just get the best out of the day. What I feel is.
Yes, there is nothing right or there is nothing wrong. Keep doing it. Keep rediscovering. Keep exploring things. And I definitely want to see myself as a better version.
Yes.
I keep encouraging everyone.
Yeah, I can see my yoga teacher Vidya Paradikar ma'am. Hello, and she's saying Tratak, and I was going to talk about Tratak. Tratak is in pranayam. What we do, you actually open your eyes wide and you focus on a
Focus on one
candle
thing.
ka shape. Yeah, or you can do Tratak observing your God. So it can be anything. You can just concentrate on
Yes.
or
Yes.
some nature.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
yes, yes. And
And
she's an exceptional yoga teacher. So we do this, and the Siha Mudra, what you said, the tongue out and your eyes up. So I think that helps. Thank you. Lovely. So what's next?
Is also a beautiful way to start meditation, because
Yes.
in Tratak you are aiming only on one particular thing, and in meditation it is required, because we say, just do 10 minutes meditation or 5 minutes meditation, but our mind is so active, it just our thoughts doesn't stop at all, so meditation is nothing but a concentration. So Tratak is the best way to start meditation. So your focus is just on one particular thing, and your productivity increases by doing this particular step.
We are going to have a meditation session coming week because
Wow.
people are a lot of big fundas for meditation, but meditation is nothing. Meditation is just being in silence, listening to any music of your choice, anything, or you can just close your eyes and sit. Let the thoughts come and go. So that's meditation. So
Yeah,
lovely. So can we learn more from you?
So next what I want to teach you guys is maybe the eye movements again. So what you could do is you could roll your eyes right from down to going up and down.
Okay.
That will combat some eye stress. Any kind of eye stress you have, any kind of eye strain you have. So all you have to do is, so before doing that, what you can do is before you start the circular movement and anti-circular movement, all you can do is you can do like this. So this is like a warm up. Yeah.
Okay. Flexibility for the muscle flexibility of it.
Flexibility. So you are just pressing, flexing like that.
Okay.
But you should feel
Let's do it.
you should stress here
Yes.
on this particular
Yeah.
area, it will help for your crow's feet. So feel a
True.
pressure here,
Yeah.
like this muscle, and then open it.
Yeah.
So it is doing
Yeah.
two things. It is helping your eye. It is also helping your crow's feet.
Mm-hmm.
And then you could start looking down first, looking on the right, looking top, left, coming down. Somebody who's a classical dancer, it is very easy for
Yes.
that person because there you talk in your eye language, your expressions, every rise. So you could do 3 eye squeezes and you can start circular movement and then you follow with anti circle. So let's do
Okay.
1, 2,
Please
3,
do it.
and then look down. Same way you could repeat from the left hand side.
Oh, I thought you are guiding, so I kept looking down. Let me do it.
Okay, look down, look on the right, on the top, left, and down. And now you could do
Yeah.
anti-clockwise. Look down, on the left, on the top, on the right, again down. Repeat on the right hand side, look down. So keep doing this. You could start with 10 minutes and then slowly and slowly, 10 rounds, and then you could increase it.
Okay.
Maximum,
I think this will reduce
people.
the stress on the eyes as well, right?
Yes. In fact, if you are not able to do entire facial yoga every day, and I know even you know, I know that we all have been doing too much Zoom, right? Too much of Zoom training. So if I'm not getting time at all, even if by doing this particular exercise, I'm giving some kind of relaxation time for my
Yeah.
eyesight.
True. Very true.
Yeah. And it is so important. Probably while we were at office we were not so much into our technology, but now while sitting at home because of
Yeah.
the situation, it is demanding us to
Absolutely.
stay very active on technology and one cannot avoid. But you can, there is certain things which are in your control, like following these facial exercises, or your skin will look glowing. Diet
Yes.
also plays a very important role. Diet, keep yourself hydrated, drink enough water. That is all very
Mhm.
essential.
Okay. What else? What else we can learn?
I think these are the most basic exercises. I would like
Okay.
viewers follow these exercises. We could do
Anything
a
for
quick
the neck? Anything for the neck?
neck. The best exercise is blowing in the on the ceiling. You have to feel the muscle. The moment you feel your muscle getting stretched here, the entire neck, that's when you're doing it in a correct way.
Okay.
So if you want, we can do a quick recap for our
Yeah, we'll
audience.
do a quick recap. Yeah. But you need to guide us because we can't see you while doing so.
Sure.
So
So
everybody, please join us for a quick recap. Yes,
yes,
she is now
yes,
explaining for the
Shaila.
double chin.
Yeah, Shaila, this will also help you for your double chin to get a nice, fabulous jawline. Once the lockdown is over, we would love to see you with a beautiful jawline like Kareena Kapoor. Yeah. So everyone, look up on the ceiling and just blow a kiss. You must feel stretch here right from your jawline till your entire neckline, till your collarbone, I can say. Keep doing it. maybe you could do more, you could give more pressure, Kalyani, so then you'll feel the stretch here on your neck.
Yes, yes, I
Yeah,
would
yeah,
feel. Yeah.
yeah. So with time and with days, you will keep getting expert and pro, and you'll see that it not only will help you on your double chin, your jawline, but it will also help you in your neck.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've become very conscious about my entire healthy habit in this lockdown, and I started following yoga. I used to do it a lot earlier, so not just for my entire body, but for also face. And I ensure that I follow good diet, healthy diet. I eat on regular time. I'm eating small meals frequently, and I've seen difference in my overall body. I've lost about 5 kgs. So the aim was not
Wow.
to lose weight. Aim was definitely not to lose weight, but it has helped me somewhere to lose weight as well. So I
Lovely.
started with a mission to stay fit and not to lose weight. So let me tell you guys, I'm not doing any diet. I'm not doing any kind of diet. I'm eating everything, but I'm not eating something too fried food, or I'm eating everything which we make it at home. You know, and small portions is very, very important. So okay, again back to our exercise. So next exercise which we applied, which we did was you take air in the middle and you transfer it on your right hand side, just on one cheek. You can count. Maybe you can start 10 seconds first. Slowly increase it to 15 seconds. Max you could do is 30 seconds, and then we release our air and we repeat same thing on the left hand side. So let's start it. So take air in the middle. Now we can repeat on the second side same way. Take air in the middle, transfer it on the left cheek, count 10 seconds. If your muscles are active, you could go from 10 to 15. Relax. So this was your one. Yes, so this was only one repetition. Likewise, you must do it. Start with 5, increase it as and when you get comfortable, maybe 10, 15, 20. Maximum you can do is 100 the day you become a pro.
Okay.
Yes. Third, we will do is the blow honker. So where we blow air on both the cheeks at the same time. So let's do it. You could count 10 seconds. Slowly you could increase it. Like this, you could. This was the first
entire portion. Yeah.
And then next we did was you take your index finger, put it right across the nose with a gentle pressure, and then you say O, O. You roll up your eyes on top with a stretch on your forehead. When you look up, you must ensure that you're stretching your upper area as much as you can. With practice, you'll be able to do both the things simultaneously.
I felt very tighter over here also. Like when I'm getting the pull, I feel like, everything is tightening. Yeah.
Yes. So you need to keep focusing on your upper facial area than your lower facial area in this particular exercise. More you can stretch. So you need to keep stretching your eyes. You need to keep stretching your forehead. Keep looking on up as much as you can. So it will help you. It will help you to combat dark circles. If you have puffy eyes, eye bags, all those
Okay.
things. Yeah. Second, after that, what we did was we took a pen. Please ensure it's a clean pen. It is your private pen. If you don't want to use a pen, take a vegetable. If you have, like probably cut a cucumber into 4
Or a
pieces long and put a cucumber,
drumstick.
or you can take a
A
carrot.
drumstick also. Yeah.
Yeah. So carrot also you could take it. So you could just put it here. You could feel a tension here, or yeah, it will for your laughing
Yes.
lines. Then we did is we took our tongue out and we stretched our eyes, as much as
Yeah.
we can.
Yeah. And we looked up again.
Yeah, you can look up, or you could play this game with anyone. If you have your husband or your siblings, your kids, you could play with them. You could look at them in their eyes, so simultaneously you will do both the exercises.
Yeah.
You can make it as
Yeah.
interesting as possible. It could be a family facial yoga session for you guys. Then
Yeah.
we did is we squeezed our eyes, and then we did clockwise and anti-clockwise. So
Yes.
you ensure that you get tension here. It will help you for your crow's feet. So just do a quick 3 squeeze. It's like a warm up for your eye, like
Let's
this.
do it. Let's do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and then you look down on the right, up, left, and down. And then you repeat anti-clockwise. You look down, left, top, and right. So like that, you can keep doing repetition, and it will definitely help you.
Yeah.
Third, one more we
Just
did.
to add something to this, you can, look a bit far. Right now we are all at home, but you can just go to the balcony and try looking the farthest you can,
Yes.
because it improves the focal length of your eyes.
Yes.
And remove the lenses, contact lenses that time, remove your specs,
Yes.
and try to look the maximum away. So you
Yes.
can, just target a tree which is far away from your building, or if you are in the terrace, you can target, looking through the clouds. So that improves the focal length of the eyes. And we do it at the yoga class. My teacher is also watching. Yeah.
Yeah, and when you do classical dance, usually we do with our hand mudras. So if
Yeah.
I'm taking my hand like this, then I see the end of my finger. So
Yes.
we follow this in our Bharatnatyam and our Kuchipudi dance. That we
Yes.
have to keep our eye wherever we're taking this. So that way,
True.
your vision will improve with this particular exercise very well. Then we did is something which is like Tratak. So you just stretch
Tratak.
it with your index finger and your thumb. You put it here, and then you wide open your eyes as much as you can. You can focus on one particular thing or a person. You want that person to sit right across you, and till it gets tears in your eyes, you can keep focusing. And the more you'll practice, the time will increase of focus, and this is a wonderful start for doing meditation as well.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's do it, or you're going to the next one?
Is there anything we missed out now?
Sorry?
I think we have completed all.
Yeah, we have completed all.
Yes.
So,
I think this,
anything
was-
from your end, if you want to tell, you can just, we have like 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, this might shut off. I can, come back. But in case you have to add anything else.
I would just say that, friends, try and lead a healthy and healthy life, not just for yourself. Try and educate your friends and family as well. Find some 10 to 15 minutes for self-care and self-love, and I'm sure you won't regret it at all. Like, find more and more reasons to live a healthy life, and I'm sure you'll get some or the other reason to live a healthy life. If you
Yeah.
all know, to fight this COVID-19, you need to have a good immune. So if you will ensure that your body parts are well functioned, blood circulation is excellent, like, then you would not have to face any problem at all. It's exactly like any electronic, it's there, and you have to go down even though there is a lockdown to ensure engine is hot enough. If you don't touch that car for days and days, probably you will face so much of challenge to ensure that heat is hot, that engine is garam karna padta hai. We say na thanda ho gaya, engine thanda ho gaya. So similarly, our
Yeah.
body engine can also become thanda if we don't keep it active by doing any
Actually.
kind of movements. And let me tell you, it's a myth that just by doing household work, like by doing just bartan and cooking and by doing jharu, that is one kind of exercise. Friends, it is not exercise, it is just one kind of chore. Yes, your muscles are working there, but then you're not focused only on your muscles.
Mhm.
It's not a self
True.
care time. There your mind is doing multiple things. Your focus is in cleaning and not on self. So it's better to find time for self.
And
Thank you so
what's
much,
the
Kalyani, for
yes,
inviting me.
my pleasure. I have one question, and somebody also asked, maybe from your friends, what is the reason behind your glowing skin? You have such a baby-like skin. Yeah, Namita Chetri asked this question, and even I have this question with me. What is the
Namita herself has
secret?
beautiful skin. So, one is hereditary. My parents has wonderful skin. But
Okay.
most important thing is I'm very particular about what I eat, and I drink a lot of water. I really ensure myself that I am hydrated. I do a lot of yoga, I do meditation, and right from my childhood, I always had love for food which is, like healthy, non-fried food. So my parents always used to ensure that we make everything at home. Right from any suka nashta to could be baking at home or making any mithai. So I have big sweet tooth. I love sweets, so I do intake sugar, friends. But somewhere I balance it, because when it comes to food, I like more of vegetables. I like more of fruits. I like food which has less salt. I try and use sea salt in my food. I prefer less garam masala and all those things. So this is my. I also ensure I do regular facial massages for my skin. I go to salon. I use appropriate home care products, which is very, very important. Especially during the night, I prefer to use repairing products because it gives more impact on the skin while we are on relaxing mode. Yeah, so I think just
Somebody,
following the regular regime is more important.
yeah. Somebody was asking for under eye circles, and I think she already that. For under eye circles, you can always give a good eye massage with this
Yes,
finger
with
where you wear the ring.
yeah,
Yeah.
with the ring
And
finger.
the best thing is, my my mother has taught me this. She does it with the white makhan. हमारा जो घर पे घी निकालने के पहले जो मक्खन रहता है ना, उससे if you do a massage, white butter, not a bull butter. Yeah,
Yes.
the session might get over. We'll again come back, Rukshmani. So you can just go, massage round and round, like
Yes.
40, 50,
Yes.
60, as many times. And that will really help. I was just talking about the under eye circle, somebody was asking. So just
Yes.
take this finger, because this has the lightest pressure. घर का बना हुआ मक्खन लो या अपना घर का घी लिया तो भी चलेगा. Okay, and just go very lightly around your eyes. and you have to always go from out to in across the crease, so that the wrinkles also come down, and you will get rid of the under eye circles. Just do it every day. And I think, Rukshmani, there's one more thing in Ayurveda which is called as the Nastya Prakriya. Right now, Ramdev Maharaj is also live every day in the morning at 8 o'clock, and he also talks about that, like putting ghee or putting oil in the nostrils, one drop, and we follow this at home. I right now I'm not following, but from today it reminds me to again go with that.
Yes.
So that reduces under eye circle. That gives you a good hair growth as well. Yeah.
True, true.
Hmm.
Yes, it does.
What is
It's
the
a
reason of upper eyelid puffiness on one's eye, and how to treat? Rukshmani, you want to answer this?
only on one eye. That could be, when we tend to oversleep, or, if while sleeping there is too much of pressure on your eye area. I don't see any other reason. If you have felt this thing suddenly, I would advise you to definitely go and see a doctor. If it's only on one eye, I'm not sure if it's paining, if it's painful, or how is it. Another thing, what you could do is you could try doing a warm compressor. Take some little lukewarm water, add some salt in it, dip a cloth, drain excess water, and just try to do a warm compressor for about 10-15 times, and just see if you feel difference or no. Because it is
And
one.
just reason for any puffiness is, you might be little high on sodium. Salt intake अगर आपका ज़्यादा है, but if it's just on one eye, then definitely you need to seek some doctor help, because if it's both the eyes, it's the water retention generally. So that could be one reason. Yeah. So,
Warm compressor will help you in that. But if you are diabetic, or your pressure is really high, and your eating habits are probably not matching as per your health requirement, you just need to get alert and get it balanced.
So, Rukshmani, they say in the morning, if you can, remove your ring easily, that means you don't have a bloated body. So everybody can just check in the morning whether they can remove the ring easily and put it back. So I think that will be helpful. So thank you, Rukshmani, for helping us learn face yoga, and we will definitely do it.
It is my pleasure. Even I got to learn a couple of things from you, and thank you so much for inviting me and giving me this opportunity to share my skills.
Yes. Thank you so much.
The best. I wish you all the best. Keep doing what you are doing. Keep continue to sharing your knowledge the way you are doing it. I really admire you as a person. All the best, and may you have all the prosperity and good health.
Thank you. Love you so much. Thank you for your good words.
Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you, friends. Rukshmani, if you want to log out, if you have any work, or we can just log out together, whichever ways.
No, we can log out together. I'm absolutely
Sure.
okay.
So thank you, friends, for joining in, and it was wonderful. I found it very funny. I enjoyed it. When I was, looking at myself, I couldn't control my laughter, but I was like, no masti. So, okay. So it was fun, Rukshmani. Total fun. So everybody keep practicing these, both the videos, the earlier one and this video are going to be there on the IGTV. I'm going to create a video and post it on YouTube and Facebook as well. So stay tuned. Next week, we are coming up with 2 more sessions. One is meditation for mindfulness, and second session is how to do a hygienic threading, because everybody has a question in mind. How are we going to put the thread in the mouth, and do the threading? So we have somebody who's going to train you on how to do a threading very safely, because the businesses are going to go back, and we are going to start the salon. So let's learn from her. Her name is Manisha Goyal Chopra. I'm just waiting for her to time for the sessions. So 2 sessions coming up, one on meditation and one on hygienic threading. So thank you, friends. Love you all. God bless you. Please take care of your health, your family's health. Stay safe. Stay inside your home. Bye.
Yes. Thank you all for your time. Take care and stay healthy. Bye-bye.
Bye.